I'm a crazy weirdo and I'm calling you. I've really got nothing better to do. I dial up your number and I let the phone ring. Then 2 minutes later I'll be doing it again. You might think that I'd move it along, but you would be wrong. I've got no life at all, and so I'll continue to call. I'm a crazy weirdo and I'm calling you.
Alright, class, excuse me, are you shopping at Target during my Zoom call?
My mom needed to grab some adult diapers.
No,
Sorry.
no, I don't care what your mom had to do, that's unacceptable.
What are you looking at?
You need to go home,
Yeah,
please.
sorry.
Thank you. And you, I don't know why you're eating these weird food combinations, but this needs to stop.
It's ranch and Oreos. It's good.
You know what? Put it down. I'm gonna call the principal, actually.
Wow.
Okay? Okay. And you, I don't know why your camera's off, but you... You need to get out of that. That does not sound good. That does not sound good at all.
Hi. Chicken nugget blend. What you? Oops. Huh? Hee hee hee. Oh. Yeah.